I built an AI system that makes my carousels for me. And the carousel slides you're seeing right now were made with it. This system even takes into consideration my brand voice, colors, and assets. Here's how it works. First, you have to give it an input. In this case, you can just give a /carousel plus your topic and you're good to go. Then we have a creative layer where that command is going to be passed down to our designer agent. Our designer agent is going to read its markdown file where it will figure out that it has to create a carousel. At this stage, it will have to choose a theme, because if you have noticed, we either have a dark theme, a light theme, or a hybrid where we have a combination of bright and dark slides. And I call these slides the Sigma slides because I am planning to create other styles of carousels that I'm going to assign to my designer agent. After the agent chooses a theme, it's going to go ahead and load the brand context. So things like the brand voice, vocabulary rules that I set, my Instagram handle, and whatnot. Once it has all that, it's going to make the research on the topic that I gave it. And then comes the step where we have a human in the loop, because it's going to draft an outline of the text that is going to produce the carousel with. That text usually comes out like this in Cloud Code, and it's going to give me the text for each slide, tell me which part is going to highlight, and all the rest. And at this step, I can either approve the text or give it a feedback, which it will learn from to make sure it doesn't make the same mistake on the upcoming slides we will produce. After the human in the loop phase, it's either going to generate images using Nano Banana or search the web to find relevant images that it will use as illustrations inside the slides. And all this information will be passed down to the config file, which will put everything together, and then it will render the slides to my computer. The slides rendered will appear in folders like this, and I can just come over here and review each slide and see if I'm happy with it. If I'm not, I can just go back to Cloud Code and give it feedback on pretty much anything in any slide, and it will modify that. I have trained this system for minimal errors so that you get high quality looking slides every single time. If you want this system for yourself, or you want to learn how to build real AI systems that do stuff for you, I'm organizing a meeting soon where I'll explain just that and give you access to this system. Comment Carousel and I'll send you the details.